engaging virtual workshops for software developers important, and how do they help create a dynamic learning environment, enhance participants' skills, and foster collaboration and innovation within virtual teams? Engaging virtual workshops for software developers are important because they create a dynamic learning environment. They enhance participants' skills by providing hands-on experiences and encourage collaboration and innovation within virtual teams, leading to better outcomes. What are some key elements and best practices for conducting engaging virtual workshops for software developers, and how can facilitators use these techniques to structure the workshops, involve participants, and ensure that the learning experience is both interactive and effective? Key elements include clear objectives, interactive exercises, and collaboration tools. Best practices involve setting specific learning outcomes, encouraging participant contributions, and using breakout sessions for hands-on practice. Facilitators can conduct engaging virtual workshops by creating a structured agenda, promoting active participation, and fostering a collaborative learning environment. How can facilitators adapt their approach to conducting virtual workshops for software developers to different topics, such as coding bootcamps, software design principles, or debugging techniques, to ensure that the workshops align with the specific learning goals and expectations of participants? Adapting the approach involves tailoring the content and format to meet specific learning goals. In coding bootcamps, focus on practical coding challenges. In software design workshops, emphasize design principles and case studies. In debugging sessions, provide real-world scenarios and problem-solving exercises. What are common challenges or pitfalls facilitators may encounter when conducting virtual workshops for software developers, and how can they address these issues to become more effective workshop leaders who successfully engage participants and promote collaborative learning in a virtual setting? Common challenges include technical issues, disengagement, or difficulty fostering collaboration. To address these issues, facilitators should conduct tech checks, use interactive tools effectively, and provide opportunities for team projects and discussions to create an engaging and collaborative virtual workshop. How can facilitators assess their proficiency in conducting engaging virtual workshops for software developers, and what are signs that they are successfully creating a dynamic learning environment, enhancing participant skills, and fostering collaboration and innovation in the virtual workshop setting? Assessment can be done through participant feedback, workshop analytics, and self-reflection. Signs of proficiency in conducting engaging virtual workshops include positive participant feedback, increased skills and knowledge, active collaboration among participants, and successful application of learning outcomes.
Hello viewers. If you enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your likes encourage me to create more content that you'll love. I truly value your thoughts and feedback, so please take a moment to share your valuable comments in the comment section below. Your comments help me improve and shape the future videos on this channel. To stay updated with more exciting videos and to support my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, so they can join our wonderful community too. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for spending your valuable time watching this video. Your support means the world to me. Thank you, and I look forward to bringing you more fantastic content in the future.